Welcome back to Star Biker, your trusted source for the latest in two-wheelers and four-wheelers. Today, we're diving into a highly anticipated comeback, the 2025 Tata Sumo Gold Max Pro. This iconic SUV has been reimagined for the modern era, blending its rugged legacy with new-age features and performance. Legacy meets modern design. The 2025 Tata Sumo Gold Max Pro retains the strong, boxy silhouette that made the original a household name, but with refreshed styling. Bold character lines, LED DRLs, a redesigned front grille, and 17-inch alloy wheels give it a commanding road presence. It's built for durability but doesn't compromise on urban appeal. Performance and powertrain. Under the hood, the Sumo Gold Max Pro comes equipped with a 2.2L turbocharged diesel engine producing 140 PS and 320 Nm of torque. Mated to a 6-speed manual transmission, it offers strong low-end grunt, ideal for off-road trails and heavy loads. Tata's advanced suspension setup also ensures better ride comfort over rough terrain. Interior comfort and technology. Step inside and you'll notice a significant upgrade. The SUV now features a 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, automatic climate control, and a semi-digital instrument cluster. Seating for up to 9 passengers makes it ideal for large families or rural transport use, all while offering improved cabin insulation and comfort. Safety and features. On the safety front, Tata has equipped the Sumo Gold Max Pro with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and even hill hold assist. The structure has been reinforced to meet the latest crash safety norms, giving passengers more peace of mind. Pricing and final thoughts. Expected to launch at a starting price of 11.5 Indian rupees lakhs, ex-showroom, the 2025 Sumo Gold Max Pro aims to dominate the utility and rural SUV segment once again. With its reliable build, enhanced features, and iconic status, it's a worthy revival of a legend. Outro, stay tuned. That's all for today on Star Biker. If you're excited about the return of the Tata Sumo or have questions about its features, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on new launches and reviews.